I'm so excited to be opening up this package. This is a spin brush from HOTO that they sent for our review. I absolutely love HOTO products and I love spin brushes, so I know this is going to be fantastic. We are no stranger to HOTO's products because we have many of them and they're just so beautiful. They are always, right away, look at this. Look at this beautiful, sleek black. This must be here, the handle. Let's check this out. So it doesn't have a ton of weight to it, which is good. Nobody wants a really heavy spin brush while they are trying to scrub a shower. Definitely feels like some sort of metal, which is really nice. Does it extend? Oh, okay. So, oh, look at that. Okay, so you've got this little locking mechanism here, and this just unlocks. And then you've got this nice length added here. So that, of course, is important to get those high-reaching places. So we've got your pole. This is, this is where some weight comes in. So this is the handle here that I'm going to attach in a minute. Let's just quickly look at the different attachments. I absolutely love that they give you like the sponge and the bristle brush here. So this is going to be really good to, get those tough areas. These two over time for sure are going to have to be replaced, but that's not a big deal. And yeah, so they've just got this Velcro. So you just pop it on here like this. And of course, they're all interchangeable, and this one as well, which you can put on there, and you can take this one off and you can actually throw it in the washing machine, which is really great. And then, of course, you have all of the classic pieces that usually come with the spin brushes. And these ones here don't normally. So I think that is really, really awesome. And you've got this great bag to keep all of the pieces in afterwards, because you know what? I have a spin brush and all of my little heads are all over the place because I have nowhere to put them. I do love that there are these holes here in the bag. So if your heads are like dripping wet after you've cleaned something, you can just kind of hang this in your shower, let it drip dry, which is also fantastic. Okay, let's move this and let's actually put this on here. Not too sure. I guess it's just going to click into here, I assume. Nope, wrong way. All right, there we go. So it clicks it, you just push it in and then you twist to lock it. So now it's locked in place. And this, of course, obviously, is where we put on the pieces. So let's just go ahead and grab one. So it just clicks into place there. And to take it off, I see there's these little buttons here, one on each side. And I assume you push down and that's where you take it off. And let's go ahead and power it on and see what kind of power it has. Oh, so look at that. Hold it down. So that's 1 and 2. Check out that power. That is actually surprising for a spin brush. I'm going to go ahead and turn that off because it is kind of loud. But yeah, you don't normally see a lot of power like that in a spin brush. Again, it does have some weight now, especially with this on here. But HOTO, heavy duty, so sleek looking, so beautiful. I cannot wait to scrub my shower.